Hello everyone. So today we want to continue our solution on Codeforce problem. In this case, what the problem context. So the title of the problem is C replacement. Don't worry about the link. I will add on the description. So I will give you the summary of this content. So you have first to select the size of the array that you want to include your element. So first, like example, have five elements, and we put like 1, -2, 0, 3, and 4. And what we want to push as a result or get the result, each negative element will be replaced by 2, and each positive element will be replaced by 1. Else, if we have 0, it will be the same, don't have any change. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 0, 1, 1. So how to solve this problem? So first of all, we want to get the size. I want to initialize our size of my array. After, we want to get the size from the user. And I want to make the user enter the element. So I will create our array, and I will make my for loop. And I will get the element from the user. So here we want to make the condition, and we want to verify each element include or enter by the user. So I want to make conditions if I want to check if this element are greater than 0 or smaller than 0. So between, like if it is negative or positive. So my first case, it will be the element is negative. So I want to replace this element by 2. So I will plant 2. Sorry. Another case, the element, it will be greater than 0. So it's positive. So I will copy this and make greater than 0. So I will print, for example, 1. Not for example, it's the problem include to print 1. So another case and last case, the element will be 0. So we don't have any change. So we just print 0. Here we can print the message to the user, enter the size of, or enter the number, not enter the size, enter the number. So we have our loop. On each element enter, we'll check if negative will be print 2, else if positive will print 1, else we don't change anything, just print 0. So let's run it and let's see. So I want, for example, add 4 element. And for example, I will the first element make 2, it's positive, and 1, and for example, I will make 5, so it will be print 1, and we make minus 4, and it will be 2, and minus 5, it will be 2. So the problem here, in each element, uh, we get the result not when the program finish. So we want to just make the user input all the numbers after finish. He will print the result. So how to do this? Maybe we can. So here, and we make another loop and make our condition here. And let's see again what happened. So for example, I will add three numbers. My first number it will be 0, and my second number it will be minus 4, sorry, and the third number it will be 3. So I will tell you the result. It will be print 0, this will be replaced by 2, and this will be replaced by 1. So the result it will be 0, 2, 1. So here the result, as you can see. So if you understand this, so don't forget to subscribe, sorry, and the solution I will publish on my GitHub repository. So don't forget about to check the solution. Uh, Something I want to tell you, you can also make another method that you can play with the vector, that you can, on each element here, you cannot print, but you can push the result or the replacement current for the current element on the vector. So, like what? I will explain here. This is another method. We create new array or new vector, and in each replacement, for example, in each replacement, I have, for example, I have 1, and it will be, for example, 2. So here you can push 2 in the new array that you created. For example, you have 4, it will be replaced by 1. Also, you can add on the new array or new vector. So this is another solution you can add with the vector.